pre-market summary for Indian stock market. Singapore Stock Exchange Nifty 50 Index futures indicate a 70-point drop at the opening bell. Asian stocks are mixed Wednesday as investors assess whether an economic slowdown will prompt the Fed to slow monetary tightening. Wall Street fell on Tuesday as investors focused on slowing economic data ahead of a Federal Reserve meeting in Wyoming. New home sales fell for the sixth time this year to the slowest pace since early 2016, and business activity fell for a second month. Investors await Fed Chair Jerome Powell's speech at the Jackson Hole Symposium on Friday to gauge how hawkish the U.S. central bank will be amid mounting economic challenges. Tuesday's volatile session at home ended with modest gains. 2 days of losses prompted bargain hunting. S&P, BSE Sensex rose 257.43 points, 0.44%, to 59,031.30. Nifty 50 gained 86.80 points, 0.50%, to 17,577.50. Foreign portfolio investors, FPIs, bought shares worth 563 crore on August 23, while domestic institutional investors sold 215.20 crore. Follow us, information is wealth.